Hey, Kathy from Crafty Chica here. I'm going to show you some new pens that I am playing with, Graphix Aqua Pens. I love these because they are watercolor markers. You outline your design and then fill in with a paintbrush and water, and it looks like you use traditional watercolors. I love these because they're dual tip, fine point brush marker, and they come in a variety of colors. Now, I'm not a professional illustrator. I guess I am a professional illustrator. I gotta give myself more credit here. So you know what? I just had fun with this. That's the bottom line. I took some heavyweight watercolor paper and I taped it to the back of a matte frame. I already had high hopes for this, right? Go into it with good expectations. You want to sketch out your design in pencil, and then the fun part, using the aqua pens. All you do is outline your design in the color that you want. I use the brush marker tip for all of these, and I have this sideways because I'm left-handed and I wanted you to be able to see all of the things that I'm outlining. Once it's outlined, use a fine tip and a medium round tip liner brush so that you can pick up some water and fill in between the outlines that you created. And it just kind of melts together beautifully. It just creates such a nice look. The colors, they work just like watercolors. You can mix some of them and add those accents in, and the more water you add, the more that they will bleed into each other and create different types of effects. Let it dry completely and then use the fine tip aqua pen to outline everything. I had so much fun with these. I even decorated the mats, and they make great gifts that you can give, or maybe you can make prints of them. I also did one for Dia de los Muertos. I did some more for the holidays. I just really had so much fun. What a great project to make with a bunch of friends. Just put the markers out on the table and have fun. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and give this project a thumbs up. Visit craftychica.com for even more crafty ideas. Thanks, guys!